Brief history. The statue has been built as an ode to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of independent India. He was responsible for uniting all 562 princely states of the country to build the Republic of India. About place, October 31, 2018, marked the inauguration of the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, against the backdrop of the dramatic Satpura and Vindhyachal hills in Kevadia, Gujarat. The 182-meter (600 feet approx) statue is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect of independent India. The colossal monument towers over river Narmada, a tribute to India, from the people of Gujarat, to the leader who placed people's welfare first. The Statue of Unity overlooks the vast surrounds and the river basin of the Narmada River and the sprawling Sardar Sarovar Dam. It stands on the Sadhu Bet hillock, connected by a 300-meter bridge, which offers access from the mainland to the statue. As a part of an outreach program for the project, the state government had asked Indian farmers to donate their used farming equipment to collect iron needed for the statue of Sardar Patel. Eventually, about 5,000 tons of iron is believed to be collected. Details of the construction and history of the leader can be seen in an in-house museum, inside the statue. Laser Light and Sound Show. A light and sound show using laser technology projected on the Statue of Unity takes place every evening except Monday. The colorful laser lighting system is accompanied by an excellent narration of the history and life of Sardar Patel, his contribution to the independence movement and the unification of India as one nation. Tour of Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers, also known as Bharat Van, is spread across 24 acres of land and as a haven for colorful flowering plants along the bank of river Narmada. The Valley of Flower began with 48,000 plants in 2016 and has now reached up to 2,200,000 plants. Besides the parks, several photo booths and selfie points have been developed to take back fond memories of the visit. The spot resembles a rainbow of flowers set up on earth. More than 300 types of flowers are grown in this garden. A right blend of ornamental flowers, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are planted along with various shades of foliage, which forms the green cover in these areas. Tour of Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is the third highest concrete dam, 163 meters, in India after Bhakar, 226 meters, in Himachal Pradesh and Lakhwar, 192 meters, in Uttar Pradesh. In terms of volume of concrete involved for gravity dams, this dam is ranked as the second largest in the world with an aggregate volume of 6.82 million cubic meter, only after Grand Coulee Dam in the USA with a total volume of 8.0 million cubic meter being the Karte at Nauka Vihar, Gujarat State Forest Development Corporation Ltd. GSFDC, has initiated boat ride in Dike 3 known as Panchmuli Lake in Kevadia as a part of ecotourism activity. Boating facility has been developed with the help of an external professional entity. Tourists coming to Kevadia are also enjoying the pristine nature with this boat ride. Total duration of each ride is for 45 minutes and in a day 8 rides are operationalized by the operator. This ride takes you to the waters of Dike 4 as well as the entire water body is surrounded by lush green forests. Ecosystem around the lake is very rich in flora and fauna. This boating facility has become a popular spot for the tourists. Panchmuli Lake is definitely a worthwhile visit with your family or friends. What sets this apart is its location set in middle of a forest grove. So have fun and enjoy your time on the water at beautiful Panchmuli Lake.